Hello friends, welcome. Standard 12th, chapter number 11, three-dimensional geometry. In last period, we was discuss equation of line, parallel vector, points, angle between the two lines, shortest distance between the two lines, and direction ratio, direction cosine also. Today, we are going to study plane and their equation. So, in three-dimensional geometry, plane is an most important topic. We want to find equation of plane, so we must need to एक perpendicular. बिना perpendicular के आप इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन नहीं निकाल सकते. जैसे बिना पैरेलल वेक्टर के आप इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन नहीं निकाल सकते, सेम एज बिना परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर दैट इज नॉर्मल वेक्टर के आप इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन नहीं निकाल सकते. तो प्लेन के हमारे पास तीन कंडीशंस है टू फाइंड इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन बाय थ्री मेथड, बाय थ्री वेज. सो देयर इज एन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दैट इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन having unit normal, that is n cap, and distance from origin d. If we have given that distance from origin and having unit normal n cap, then vector from is r bar dot n cap is equals to d, and Cartesian from is equals to what? If n cap is what? Li plus mj plus nk, so that lx plus my plus nz is equals to d. This is an Cartesian from and vector from, as n cap is equals to what? Li plus mj plus nk. Now second from is what? Equation of plane having passing through the point So equation of plane in a second form passing through the point P x1 y1 z1 and having perpendicular vector n bar, that is a b c. Then the vector from is what? R bar minus a bar dot n bar equals to 0, because n bar is an perpendicular and this is an r bar minus a bar, that is ar bar. When we point on the plane, then the perpendicular, the product is 0, dot product is 0. So r bar minus a bar dot n bar equals to 0, and when we subtracting, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, and a bar is what? N bar is ai plus bj plus ck. So Cartesian product is what? A in bracket x minus x1 plus b in bracket y minus y1 plus c in bracket z minus z1 equals to 0, or ax plus by plus cz equals to d. Then third, equation of plane passing through three non-collinear points. Their points are, suppose A x1 y1 z1, B x2 y2 z2, and C x3 y3 z3. Then as we draw the figure, that AR bar, then AB bar and AC bar, then we must want to perpendicular. So that AB bar upon into cross AC bar, we have to perpendicular. This perpendicular is what? AB bar cross AC bar, and this is on your AR bar. Then the vector equation is becomes what? AR bar dot AB bar cross AC bar is equals to 0. This is an vector from. And now what is the Cartesian from is what? It is a scalar triple product. So what? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, and z3 minus z1 is equals to 0. So this is an Cartesian from, vector from, Cartesian from, passing through three non-collinear points. Here is what? Passing through one point and having normal r bar minus a bar dot n bar equals to 0, or a in bracket x minus x1 plus b in bracket y minus y1 plus c in bracket z minus z1 equals to 0, or when we can solve, then ax plus by plus cz, ax1 by1 cz1, that equals to what? D is a constant. and first condition is what? Having unit normal and having a distance from the origin. It is equals to what? R bar dot n cap equals to D, that equals to Lx plus My plus Nz equals to D. Next is intercept from. Then if any plane is intercept x axis, y axis, z axis, then the equation of plane becomes that x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equals to 1. That it intercept at x axis at a, y axis at b and z axis at c. This is called as an intercept from. Equation of plane in intercept from. Next is what? Plane passing through intersection of two given plane. So plane passing through two given plane. If we have already given two plane and one plane is passing through these two planes, let R1 R bar dot n1 equals to D1 and R bar dot n2 equals to D2 be the any two plane, then a required plane which passing through these two plane, that equals to what? R bar dot in bracket n1 plus lambda times of n2 is equals to d1 plus lambda times of d2. This is an vector form of required plane which passes through two planes. And Cartesian form is what? First plane a1x plus b1y plus c1z minus d1 plus lambda times of second plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z minus d2 equals to 0. Just you can solve in that. Having one condition becomes are there, having point will be there, then use that value point and find the value of lambda and put up the lambda in that equation. That will be required answer of plane which can passes through these two planes. तो आपको ये वाला भी इक्वेशन ऐसे प्रकार से करना है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल्स और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज व्हाट? कोप्लेनरिटी ऑफ टू लाइंस. Planarity of two lines. Now, two lines are coplanar. When? Means what? दो lines एक ही plane में कब आते हैं? There is a condition. First, we must know that the equation of line, that is what? Suppose R bar is equals to A1 plus lambda times of B1, where B1 is a parallel vector, and R bar second line is what? A2 plus lambda times of B2. Be the two lines. Then अगर ये लाइंस कोप्लेनर है, दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? द कंडीशन इज बिकम a2 माइनस a1 डॉट b1 क्रॉस b2. इनका डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 होना चाहिए. मतलब ये सेलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट आपका 0 होना चाहिए. ये वाला हमने देखा था कहाँ पे? दैट इज शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू लाइंस. न्यूमरेटर था हमारा. अगर ये 0 आता है तब आपका जो लाइंस है वो कोप्लेनर है. This is an vector form, and now Cartesian form is what? This is a scalar tree product, that is what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equals to 0. This is an Cartesian form. Means अगर ये प्रोडक्ट डिटर्मिनेंट अगर 0 आता है तब ये दोनों लाइंस हमारी जो है वो एक ही प्लेन के अंदर है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, एंगल बिटवीन टू प्लेन्स. अगर दो प्लेन के बीच वाला हमें एंगल चाहिए तो हम प्लेन के बीच वाला एंगल नहीं लेंगे. तो अगर प्लेन है तो इसके ऊपर एक नॉर्मल होना चाहिए. अगर ये प्लेन है तो इसके ऊपर एक नॉर्मल होना चाहिए. तो हम इन नॉर्मल के बीच वाला एंगल लेंगे. सो दैट n1 एंड n2 बी द टू नॉर्मल ऑफ टू प्लेन. देन द फार्मूला इज सेम. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? That cos theta is equals to n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 magnitude of n2. यही वाला फार्मूला आपका हर बार आने वाला है. दैट इज जो हमने पढ़ा था वेक्टर फॉर्म में, एंगल बिटवीन द टू वेक्टर्स, यही आई पे है. बस अब नॉर्मल के बीच में आने वाला है. तो आपको प्लेन का नॉर्मल डिटेक्ट करना है कंपेयरिंग विद आवर इक्वेशंस एंड देन यूज इट वैल्यू. Now, this is an vector form. Cartesian form is what? Cos theta is equals to what? Now, n1 dot a2 हमें पता है कि a1 b1 a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon this is under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, and second is what? a2 square plus b2 square plus C2 square. This is an angle between the two vector. Distance of a point from a plane. मतलब हमारे पास प्लेन भी है, एक पॉइंट है और इसका यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस चाहिए. सो डी हमें निकालना है. देन एज ए प्लेन इक्वेशन आर बार डॉट एन बार इक्वल्स टू डी और ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी जेड इक्वल्स टू डी. देन डिस्टेंस और लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? यल इज इक्वल्स टू सपोज डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए बार डॉट एन बार माइनस डी अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एन बार. ये वाला फार्मूला है. सिर्फ आर बार को रिप्लेस करके ए डालना है यहाँ पे. और इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म इज व्हाट? दैट इज ए एक्स वन प्लस बी वाई वन प्लस सी जेड वन माइनस डी अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वेयर प्लस बी स्क्वेयर प्लस सी स्क्वेयर. दिस इज अगेन लेंथ. दैट अगेन सेम फार्मूला. सिर्फ आपको एक्स को रिप्लेस करके x1 पुट अप करना है, y को रिप्लेस करके y1 और z को रिप्लेस करके z1. दैट इज द लेंथ इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? डिटरमिन मॉडुलस ऑफ ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus d upon magnitude, that is a square plus b square plus c square. So that can be find the length or shortest distance, perpendicular distance of a point from a plane. Today we are studying equation of plane, three type, passing through, having now unit normal and perpendicular distance, that is r bar dot n cap equals to d or lx plus my plus nz equals to d. Or equation of plane passing through the point P x1 y1 z1 and perpendicular to a given vector n bar ABC, that is equal to what? R bar minus a bar dot n bar equals to 0 or ax1 a in bracket x minus x1 plus b in bracket y minus y1 plus c in bracket z minus z1 equal to 0 or as plus by plus cz equals to d. Third is what? Passing through three non-collinear point. अगर आपको तीन नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट दिए है तो दैट इज ए आर बार डॉट ए बी क्रॉस ए सी इक्वल टू 0. सो ए बी क्रॉस ए सी इज एन परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर दैट x minus x1 y minus y1 determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 and z3 minus z1 equals to 0. These are the three conditions of finding equation of plane. Next is what? Intersect from, that is what? X by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 0. This plane intercept x axis at a, y axis at b, z axis at c. Then passing through the two given plane, that equals to what? R bar dot n1 plus lambda n2 equals to d1 plus lambda d2 or first plane equation plus lambda time of second plane equation equals to 0. If the two lines are coplanar, अगर दो लाइन एक ही प्लेन में है तो that is the condition is what? a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 equals to 0 or determinant of x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1 then a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 equals to 0. Third is angle between the two plane. Then we want to find the angle between two plane means what? We want to find the angle between two normal of that vector, that is cos theta equals to n1 dot n2 upon magnitude of n1 magnitude of n2. This is then cos theta, or you can use then direction ratio from that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square and into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square and distance of a point from a given plane. अगर आपको पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस निकालना है प्लेन के ऊपर से परपेंडिकुलर फॉर्म, तो वहां पे के लिए प्रॉब्लम है हमारे पास लेंथ इक्वल्स टू ए बार डॉट एन बार माइनस डी अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एन. तो आपको सिर्फ ऊपर वाला इक्वेशन जो है प्लेन का उसमें रिप्लेस करना है आर बार को पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट, दैट इज ए एक्स वन प्लस बी वाई वन प्लस सी जेड वन माइनस डी अपॉन अंडर रूट ऑफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. दिस इज एन बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्लेन. Using this information, we can solve exercise 11.3. Equation of exercise 11.3. First example is what? In each of following cases, determine the direction cosine of the normal to the plane and distance from the origin. आपको बोला गया कि find the direction cosine of normal. We have given that equation of plane, that is ax plus by plus cz equals to d. और आपको पूछा गया है कि डायरेक्शन कोसाइन निकालिए, डायरेक्शन रेशियो नहीं, डायरेक्शन कोसाइन एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. सो एग्जांपल नंबर 1 वी विल टेक इट. वी नो दैट the equation of plane is what? Ax plus by plus cz equals to d. This is a general equation of plane where a, b, c are direction ratio. Now we know that how to convert direction ratio in term of direction cosine. What is the relation between L, M, N in A, B, C? That equals to what? We know that. What is L? L is equals to A upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then M is equals to same B upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equals to again C upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then first we want to find in term of having ABC, from ABC to find LMN. So what? Divide each term. Suppose this equation number 1. Divide 1 by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. That equals to what? A upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square of X plus B upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square of Y plus C upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square is equals to into Z is equals to D upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is equals to what? L plus My plus Nz is equals to, this is an perpendicular distance D. Suppose I will take capital D. This is an D. Distance from the D is what? Distance from origin. Because this is an our first topic, first type format. Lx plus My plus Nz equals to D. Now the example is here. Suppose we will take C from 11.3. 2x plus 3y minus z is equals to 5. Then direction ratio is, here is what? Coefficient of x, that is 2, coefficient of y it is 3, coefficient of z is what? Minus 1. Then these are the direction ratio, that is A, B, C are 2, 3, minus 1. Then what are the direction cosine? So what? First find out A square plus B square plus C square. Then what? 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 1 square is equals to 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, 3 9 plus 1, that is 10 plus 4 under root of 14. Then divide under root of 14 in each side. Divide under root of 14 to both sides. Hence 2 by root of 14 x plus 3 by root of 14 of y plus minus 1 by root of 14 of z is equals to 5 by root of 14. Comparing with Lx plus My plus Nz equals to D with from, then direction cosines are, bolo, that is what? First 2 by root 14, then 3 by root 14 and minus 1 by root 14. This is the direction cosine. And what are the length? Distance is what? 5 by root of 14. Then suppose I will write here what? Simply D is equals to what? 5 by root of 14. तो इस वाले एग्जाम्पल्स में आपको सिर्फ यही करना है, एग्जाम्पल्स जो भी आपके आएंगे उसको सिर्फ आपको डायरेक्शन रेशो का मैग्नीट्यूड इसकी निकालनी है और उसी से सबको डिवाइड करना है, तब जाके आपको ये वाला फॉर्मेट मिलेगा Lx प्लस My प्लस Nz इक्वल टू D. ये वाला होता है हमारा हैविंग यूनिट नॉर्मल एंड डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. तो आपको मिलेगा यहाँ पे फिर डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस आर 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14, minus 1 by root 14 because just we have to divide, and 5 by root 14, that is 5 by root 14 is the distance from the origin. तो इस प्रकार से एग्जांपल्स आपको 11.3 में हमें करने हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, that is, and today is the lecture only for basic equation of planes, basic information about planes and some examples. In next period we can solve 11.3 completely. Till then, goodbye, thank you.